It's Nikea here, back with another installation for my Color Crush Rainbow Makeup Series. You do this every time. And today's look is going to be yellow. We call it chromed out yellow paint. Like I was saying, I did go to work, so I do have my base on. Stop, booty. I can't even do my intro. Shout out to teachers. Shout out to teachers. It's Teacher Appreciation Week. No one knows all the hard work we do, and there's no tired like teacher tired. But as y'all know, we're already done with this, so I'm gonna get right into the makeup look. All right, for my eyes, I'm going to use my concealer palette from BH Cosmetics. I should probably get rid of this. It's old as crap. Well, not super old, but I've had it for a while. Mommy. And I'm going to take the lightest concealer shade. Do I have some left? I'm going to take the lightest concealer shade right here. And I'm going to use that as my shadow base. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I took that concealer just up to my crease. Y'all, I just started this video, I didn't have my Ray palette. So of course I'm going in with my transition color, Spice. Alright, so for this look, I'm using another L'Oreal Hip High Intense Pigment Shadow Duo. And this one is called Stiking, and this is a matte shadow duo. So it's this nice bright yellow here and this matte black we're going to use. So that's why I use the shadow base, because I really want this color to pop. I'm taking my number 6 shadow brush from ItsMyRayeRaye, and I just like the shape of this brush. It gives a lot of color payoff. So I'm going to go into this yellow first and pat that in all over my lid where the shadow base is. So there's the yellow. I feel like it's not as intense as it's been when I've applied it before. So I'm going into my BH Cosmetics 88 color palette. And they have a yellow that's similar. I'm going to put that on top to see if that makes a difference. I'm going to use a different brush because this one is a little damp from cleaning it. It's a little better look that I'm going for. And I'm going to use the L'Oreal yellow again on top of that, because that one's a little like more electric yellow than what I was going for. Alright, now I'm going to go back into this duo, into the black with a fluffy blending brush. And I'm going to start with a circular motion in my outer corner and then work my way into about midway on my lid. So I do want to intensify this black a little bit. So I'm going to go into my Ray palette and use Black Beauty. I'm going to take another blending brush and just blend all that in. And going back with Spice. I'm going to go back in. I'm going to go back in with that yellow just to make sure it's still popping. for this look, definitely need some black liner. So I have this liquid liner from Ruby Kisses. Alright, there's the look with the liner. Let that dry a little bit. Gonna take my detail brush and I'm gonna go back into that 88 color palette, and there is a metallic silver. There's also this one. This one gives me more gray tones. I like this silver blue tone right here. So I'm gonna put that on my detail brush, and you know I live, okay, live for a tear duct highlight. Okay. I used to have a L'Oreal Shadow Duo that had this really pigmented silver metallic that was like, oh my gosh, it used to pop so much. But I don't even know what happened to it. I probably lost it. But this is going to be a good sub. I don't see, well, I haven't seen a lot of palettes with silver. Alright, so you see what I'm talking about with those blue tones. Just playing with all the color. Right, so that is done. I'm going to get that oil and shine off my face a little bit. Let's sweep off any fallout. I did have a little bit. Okay, and next we are going to highlight, and for this look I'm going to use Angel from ItsMyRayeRaye. I feel like that's a good one because it has some yellow tones in there, some yellow flecks, and we're trying to be chromed out yellow paint. Gonna take that on my brush. Alright, on to some blush. This is from Coastal Scents. It's called Elusive Dawn. So just kind of to play off of my skin tone. Lashes. And these are the same lashes from the Green video. They are from Kiss. Look so natural. The style is Poise. So they give you a little zhuzh without too much glue on, and you're gonna let that sit and get tacky. I'm going to do a red lip for this look. I have Ruby Woo from MAC. I have Ruby Woo from MAC, and a dupe for that is Wet n Wild Spotlight Red. Stoplight Red. So that's from Wet n Wild, and then this is from MAC. As you can see, it's low. I have another one that has more than this, but Harper! I have another one that has more than this, but there's still product in here. But I'm going to use the MAC Ruby Woo because it's more matte. It's a retro matte. So I As usual, I moisturize my lips before, but when I put on Ruby Woo, I keep whatever chapstick or lip balm I have on my lips. Make sure it's in there, because this is very, very, very dry, okay? Alright, here is the final look. Left my fro up a little bit. That's the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this. This is fun and funky. Yes, I would definitely wear this out. I need to be going somewhere besides to bed. But thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment. I'm not saying bye yet. I gotta finish the outro. So I gotta tell them to rate, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and click that red button down there so that you will never miss when I post. Hit that bell button. Very easy. And guess what? I got 2 videos right here for you to go ahead and watch. Go ahead. Click on it. And if you've seen those already, just go ahead to my page here. Click on my picture right there, and you can subscribe while you're on the way. It's free and it's easy. Again, thanks for watching, beauties, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.